Known Greg Luther for many, many years, 10, 12 years now. When I finally joined Inner Circle, it did transform my business because I did get the extra support, the extra systems, the additional trainings, the more and more information that Greg gives you every day to improve your business. When I did that, it just skyrocketed my business. So I'm really pleased with everything that over the years and now going forward that Greg is offering, and going into the future with the online marketing, Facebook and Google and all of the things that he's adding on a daily basis. It seems like it's just so much that you can use to improve your business. So get in it today if you can. It will help your business.
2, 3,